Now, in this video, we will going to take up a problem on projections of lines. How to solve this problem by using the solid edge software. The problem reads as a line has its end capital A 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. The end B, capital B, is 55 mm above HP and line is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. The distance between the end projectors is 50 mm. Draw the projections of the line. Determine the true length and its inclination with VP. So to do that, first we'll go for the solid edge screen. And this is your main screen of the solid edge. And of course, I'm doing it on ST9, synchronous technology 9. So here, first I need to set the sheet setup. So to do that, I will just take the cursor to the lower left corner and on the sheet 1 and right click on this and you come down to sheet setup. Now we have a background sheet which is already set for A2. Now I want to make it A4. You just click on A4. Then what is the dimension of A4 size sheet? It is 297 by 210. And I don't want to show the background. The background means this nameplate and other things. I don't want to show that. I will say show background. I will disable this and say OK. So now the sheet is shrinked to A4, but the display is not shrinked, but the display is still, it is set for A2 size. So you just fit this so that it will going to have the display also is set for the A4 size sheet. Now we are going to write the problem. So how to write the problem? So you come down to text and here come down to solid edge, click on Times New Roman and the font size is 4 and enter. Now I need to write the problem. A line, so I will go to click somewhere on the screen. A line, capital AB has its end capital A. End capital A 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Then the end B, the end capital B is 55 mm above HP and the line is inclined at 30 degrees by holding the shift key, alt key 0176, 30 degrees to HP, stop. The distance between the end projectors, is 50 mm. Then draw the projections of the line. Comma. Determine the true length. And its inclination with V. So you right click on this so that it will go to cancel that. Now we will go for sketching. Go to move. So take the click on this text box. Move it by taking some arbitrary point. Move wherever you want. Now once you do that, now we have the actual problem here. Now what I want to draw the solution without looking into the sketched solution, because so now in your scheme it is only we need to draw it by using the CAD software without taking into the consideration of the sketch. If you have not written also, you can be able to draw by using the software, and once the solution is right, when you are doing it from the software, automatically we can give, and you will, by default you will be able to get the whatever the marks which is there for the sketch will also be awarded here. So that is the advantage. By doing so, the time is going to be considerably reduces. Now how to start the drawing? So once you do it, once you try to do manually, what is the first step you are going to take? First I want to draw the XY line and we have to mark VP and HP. The same way here also we need to do that. So before actually going for to draw a horizontal line, so first you go to IntelliSketch, here IntelliSketch, you click on endpoint, you click on intersection point, and you click on horizontal or vertical, and all other points you disable it. Only endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical will be enabled. Now you come down to line command. The line, first you adjust the thickness to 0.05, enter. And now we will going to draw a horizontal line of any length. So we are going to take somewhere around here, and then you go to text. So select Times New Roman, which is already there. Now the font I want to take for A3 is 3 mm. Only for writing the problem we are going to take 4. So here I will put the caps lock on, type capital X, and here type the capital Y, and take the cursor here and click, type VP, and then here beneath that you take HP. So this is the first step. Once you do that, the next thing is the end is 10 mm above HP. So go to offset, take the distance as 10 mm, enter. Above HP means I can be seen in the vertical plane. You take the cursor, click on the elements to offset, you select on the XY line, right click and take to the top above XY line and click on the first button of the mouse. Do you want to have any other selections further offset? No, you right click it. Since you are already in the offset command, now you take 15 mm in front of UP. So you type 15 and enter. Again, click on elements to offset, you select the XY line, then right click and take the bring the cursor below the XY line and click on first button of the mouse. And once you do that, do you have any other offset again to be done? No, you just right click. Now I want to draw a vertical projector. So to do that, first I will go for a line command, draw a vertical line of any length. Then go to trim corner between this line and this, and also between this line and this. Now we got the first point, which is that point is A dash here. So I will going to mark this as put the caps lock off, type capital A dash, small a dash, and this is small a. Now what I want? I want the NB now. What is NB? NB is 55 mm above HP. So you go for offset, take the distance as 55 above HP, click on elements to offset, this is the XY line, right click, click to place the offset elements to the top side I want. So click on the first button of the mouse. So once you do that, now we have the locus of B in the front view. And also he has given the distance between the end projectors is 50. So go to offset, take the distance as 50, enter, and take the projector A, right click. The distance between the end projectors is seen in both in HP and as well as in the vertical plane. You just click over this. So from here also it is 50 and from here also it is 50. Then you go to fit and now you go to extend to next. Select on this side, you will going to get this boundary. But we don't have the boundary here, so therefore you will not be able to get this point here. So to do that, I will consider any line and I will draw one more horizontal line of any length and go to extend command, extend to offset, you select on this side. Since I don't have the locus of B in the front view and that is in the top view, you don't take that. Now we have the end projector is seen both in the vertical plane and as well as in the horizontal plane. So since this end projector will going to cut the locus of B in the front view, so obviously this point will going to be B dash. Then join, draw between end point of this to end point of this. Now we have the top view point. So front view point. So now I will go to mark this point as B dash. B dash. Okay, once you get this, now what I want, I have a line which is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. I will go for a line command, draw a line from end point of this, and I am going to take 100 mm, angle is 30 degrees. So that it will go to cut the locus of B in the front view. So now I will go to trim this. So you got the point here. What is that point? This point will be B1 dash, B1 dash, and then here I will say capital B, and here I will say capital A, and then I will say locus of B in the front view. Locus of B in the front view. Now once you do that, now we are going to come nearer to the screen now. So now the problem is over. So now I will go for a move command. So I will move this B dash above this line. Similarly, B1 dash above this line, capital B, then also the locus of B. Now here I will take X, I will take VP, and I will take HV. Okay, so this is A dash and this is capital A. Now what I want the, since you know the true length in the front view, obviously that line should be parallel to XY in the top view. So what is the top view point? The top view point should be AB1, which is in front of VP. But A is here, B1 should also lie on this line only, the top view of the point B1 dash. So I will go to line command, draw a line from this point till to the locus of A in the top view. So now we have the trim corner between these two. Now what is the point now? That point will going to become the top view point of A dash B1 dash, which is B1. Okay, then move this point till here. This is A and this is B1. Now the line is parallel to XY in the top view. Therefore, you will go to get the true length. So what is the true length line? The true length line should be 90 mm. So that is what you got here. Then this point B1 will not be in front of VP by 15. Instead, this point will go to lie on this end projector because the B dash is here. The top view point of B dash should lie on this line. At present, where is the top view point of B1? The top view point of B1 is in front of VP by this, which is 15 mm. This B1 is here, then B1 should come on this end projector line. How to do that? Without changing the order of the length, I want to get this. So I'll go for an OR command by center point. I will take the end point of this and then click for the start point of the arc, that is end point of this. Now you draw an arc such that it will go to cut the end projector at this point. So go to trim corner between these two now. Now once you get this, now I will go for a line command, draw a line from end point of this to end point of this. So then I will go to get this line T here. Now I will draw a line from here to here. Now you extend this line till to this vertical line. So once you get this, now I don't want this line to be there, so you delete that. So this will go to be the locus of B in the top view. So this, the point what you will going to get is small b, that is the top view. So this will going to be locus of B in the top view. Now once you do that, you go to fit and bring it here. Now I will go for OR command by center point. I want the top view true length, so the front view line should be inclined. I will go to take this as the front view because the top view line is also inclined. So I will take this start point of the arc is this point, and click for the start point of the arc is end point. Then you consider this onto this line, horizontal line. So go to trim corner between this line and this arc. So you are going to get that point. So which is this point now? That point will go to be B2 dash. So you mark that point as B2 dash. Okay. Once you get this, so we have the front view line of this which is parallel to XY. Its corresponding top view B2 will going to be the cuts the locus of B in the top view. So I will going to mark this point as B2. Since it is parallel to what? Parallel to xy in the front view, obviously this point will going to be capital B. So this point will going to be capital A. So now we have the problem completed. So I want to draw a line from end point of this to end point of this. So we have the front view and we have the top view now. So go to zoom window. So here all these things are over. Now we come to this top view point. So go to move, select this and move it here A, and then capital A here, then B1, okay, then B, then B2, then capital B, and then the locus of B here. Now you go to split. Split this line till here and you split this line till here. By holding the shift V, select this line and also this line and press delete. So now we have the locus of B in the front view also and top view also. Now we have the move command, move this XY line here. Okay, once you get this, now I want this fit split till here. So then you delete this. Then come down to move. Select this Y and bring it here. Now you go to this front view and move all the text appropriately. Go to move, select this, move, take A dash here, then capital A here, then of course you have B2 dash here, and all other things has been considered. We have moved already. So take the split command, split this till here, and now we got this line which is the locus of B. Now we want to adjust the thickness. So you select this line by holding the shift key, you select this line also. Go to thickness is 0.05 and you take this line as dash dot. So you can see the dash dot is there. Then you select on this line and you select on this line. Both will going to be the front view and top view. So 0.5. You select between this line and you select this between this line, you make it 0.35 which is the true length. And this line will going to be 0.13 which is 0.05. The rest of the lines are automatically, so I think this is 0.25 which I have already done, 0.35, yes. Now automatically the rest of the points will go, the rest of the lines will going to be 0.05. Now I will go for a move command, select this entire drawing and move it from here to the center. So once you do that, now we will going to have the solution to be written and also give the dimensions. To give the dimensions, go to dimensioning styles, click on ISO, click on modify, come down to general, make all these things black because your printout will be in black and white. Then you come down to text, the text is here for the dimension, text is Times New Roman and the font size is 3. Go to lines and coordinates and take this distance of the line width as 0.1. 0.1, say OK and say apply. Now we go for distance between this line and this line. Automatically you are going to get 10. Then this line and this line you are going to get 15. In the front view, that is top view. You select between these two, so you are going to get it as 55. Then you have the angle between this line and this line, You go to angle between, select this line, which is going to be 30 degrees. And I want, what is the true length I need to write. So go to true length, select this, you select between these two, which will be 90 mm. So you get this. So once you get this, then I want what is the angle between these two. So to do that, I will go for dimensioning style, click on modify, come down to units. What is linear? 0.12, angular is 1, so you make this also as 0.12 and say OK and say apply. So now I will go for the angle between this line and this line. You will going to get it as 41.63. So what is that angle? Now we are going to check the answers here. The answer is the true length should be 90. The true length is 90. Yes. Then you have 41.63 degrees. So here you got 41.63 degrees. Now once you finish this, what I will do, I will select this line. I don't want the true length 90 to be written. So you come down to this and make it blank, so that the text will going to be disappear. Similarly here also, you click on this and make it blank, so that the text is not there. Now once you do that, now you go to text and here Times New Roman, you take true length, capital R, true length equals question mark. Then rotate, select this and remove this one, that is copy. Select on the horizontal. This horizontal should become this aligned with this inclined line. So go to move, select this and you make this as the true length question mark, and then you come down to text and here you type symbol and here you type 5. Put the caps lock off, 5. Then go to move this and keep it here. So now we have all these things are being written. Now what I want to go to point on element and remove all these things, and this horizontal or vertical should be on. So here what I need to do now, I need to show the directions. So how to do that? So go to leader. Okay. So from here what I did, I projected downwards. Then from here I projected this like this. But here the vertical projector has been projected here, and from here to here also you have projected. So once you do that, now what I want this line. So how to get that? So to do that, I will project this, then from here you will going to get this. So this is the directions of projections. Now what I want, you remove this point on element now. So go to text, here type true length, come down to Times New Roman and you click here, type true length, put the caps lock on, type true length, and here you come down, type 90.00, remove the caps lock, and from here it is 41.63 degrees. So you type 41.63. By holding the Alt key, type 0176 and remove the Alt key. So now we have both the answers. You just go to move, disable copy, you select this and you move it here. Similarly, you select this and you move it here, and then go to line and draw a horizontal line, and from here you take vertical, and then from here you take this horizontal, and then you draw go to trim corner between these two. Then go to move, copy, select this line. Now I don't want to move the displacement in y direction, so you keep it 0. So now we have this. Similarly, I will go to have move, enable copy. You select this line, go to move, select this line, move from somewhere here. So I don't want the x displacement now, y displacement should be there. So you just click on this and take this file. So go to fit. So here you bring that move, enable copy, you take this file and take it here. It's equal to 14.63. Once you do that, go to text. So you take answers. So put on the caps lock on, take answers now. So here, so this is how you will be able to write the solution by using the CAD software. How do I know that my problem is right? Both B' and B will going to lie on the same line. And now, since this is the true length in the front view, that means the top view line is parallel. This is the true length in the top view, that means the front view line is parallel. So this is the front view because it is the top view is inclined. This is the top view because the front view line is inclined. When you measure this drawing, when you measure these things of the true length and also the true inclination with respect to VP, both you're going to have the same results as what I have got from here. And also the accuracy of the drawing is up to the second decimal point. So this is how you will be able to write the solution by using the CAD software without looking into your solution from the sketchbook. Thank you.